Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Hyundai, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2011 Hyundai Elantra. So right now the problem is with the steering motor. The coupler on the motor, on the inside of the motor, keep going out. So this is very normal for Hyundai and Kia. Very common issue. So you can hear it very severely making noise. Now for this one, I'm showing you how to cheat it without lowering the whole steering column. I've done so many of these, so I'm so used to it. This whole job takes me about 20 minutes to get it done, but usually the labor for this is about 3 hours to do. For you to do this, you need the stubby ratchet. This one I have is snap-on, and then my 2-inch extension with the 30mm Torx right here, and then or the bigger quarter with my mirror. And for you to get to the steering coupler, you're gonna take out the cover on the side here and just pop it out. There's 2 bolts holding on to the big cover right here, and then there's another bolt on this side from there, and then you can just pop it out. And then after you pop the 2 cover out, you're gonna get to this big piece of metal bracket right here. There's 2 bolts right here, 1 bolt right here, and then there's 1 right here, and you can remove that out. Now for the parts that I'm replacing is this part right here is the steering coupler. I remember for one of the customer, she brought it to the dealer, and they were gonna charge her for this piece $200 something for the parts. And I got this part online. I bought it on Amazon, or you can buy it on eBay. It's only $30. For the coupler, the steering coupler, now I did not touch anything on the steering column. The mount bolt is still on here. I did not lower anything at all. So this video I'm just showing you how to cheat, but for some of you guys might be really hard because you have big hand. It's hard. I have small hands, so it's really easy. Now you can see the motor right here. The coupler sits inside the motor right here. Now for you to get the motor out, you're gonna get the black bolt. There's 3 black bolts holding onto the motor. So there's 1 right here. There's another one back here. There's 1 right here. You can see. There you go. Let's take this one out. And then there's another one which is back here. And now I use my mirror to see that one. Let me show you if I can put my mirror in. Now that's the black bolt right on top of it that you're gonna be removing. Top. There you go. You can see the bolt I got out here. Now for this bolt right here, I already took it off, and then all you gotta do is just remove the motor right there. You can see the gear right here where the coupler sits inside. Now I'm gonna shine the flashlight on here with the mirror so you guys can see the coupler in here that's broken. Show you the coupler on the motor. Now you can see all the pieces is shattered. You can see everything is broken on the rubber piece. I'm gonna reach my hand up here and take out the coupler, the broken piece. There you go. Now you can see it right there. That's the broken coupler piece right there. Now right there you can see on the gear of the motor, I cleaned everything out already. It's clean enough. Now I'm gonna put in my new steering coupler. Showing you an example. So basically on the motor up there, it has a teeth like this, like 4 teeth, and then you're gonna line it up with the groove on the coupler right here, and then that's how you slide in the coupler. But for the coupler, you're gonna put this piece on the column, and then for you to put back the motor, you're gonna have to align it. So basically you're gonna have to kind of turn and rotate this a little bit so it gets to the right groove of this, and that way it can slide in easy. you're just gonna try to find the right spot, so that way the motor can pop into the column. There you go. You see how it pops in, and this part is flat out. So once you keep rotating it a little bit by little, it should just pops right in like that, and then just put back your 3 bolts. For this bolt right here, it's a little bit harder because it's on the tighter spot. Now I just put the bolt all the way down and then just tighten it just a little bit. It doesn't have to be crazy tight, so just tighten it just a little bit. And then the other 2 on the back, I tightened the other 2 on the back already. Well, before you guys put the cover back, make sure you guys turn on the car, check out the steering wheel. So right now it's center. Now you can hear there's no more noise. The car fully turning left, back to the center, fully turn to the right, and back to the center. So that is it for this video, guys. So I'm just showing you guys how to cheat it without lowering the steering column. You gotta have small hand to do this, but for some of you guys, it's gonna be really hard. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.